Find the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus k. All right, so this is all about the remainder theorem, which says if I have a factor x minus k, I could take that k, which in this case is -2, and do a little bit of division and get a remainder for a polynomial. So what I'm going to do, since it's a whole lot faster, is I'm going to do synthetic division. All right, I have a video purely on synthetic division on this channel. Give it a watch. But this is more remainder theorem-y, so I'm going to treat it more remainder theorem-y, which I'm pretty sure theorem-y is a character in Lord of the Rings. Just kidding. That's not the case. I've got, let me see, 5 and then 5 again, and then -7 and then 7 and then 5 and then -4 and then -1. And I'm expecting my remainder to live right down here, whatever that might be. If you're missing like an x something, like if I was missing an x to the third, I would make sure I use 0, but I wasn't missing anything. Everything's already in order. God is good. Step number 1, drop down the 5. Okay, now multiply these two together and write it underneath the next coefficient. So 5 times -2 is -10. Write it under the 5 and then repeat. 5 plus -10 is -5. -5 times -2 is +10. Add these. -7 plus 10 is 3. 3 times -2 is -6. 7 plus -6 is 1. 1 times -2 is -2. 5 plus -2 is 3. 3 times -2 is -6. -4 plus -6 is -10. -10 times -2 is 20. -1 plus 20 is 19. My remainder is 19. Now, when I did synthetic division, I was asked to actually divide, and so I was able to use this and turn this into a whole other polynomial, with that being part of my remainder and part of my answer. But that's not what we're doing here. This is just remainder theorem, and all I have to do is just find the remainder, and it's 19. Great.